do this angle in the daylight this time instead of nighttime. I know there's another southbound, but it's hard for me to capture a northbound sometimes. I'm not sure, like, I don't have a scanner nut, so I don't know how to listen for trains, man. I got a scanner nut like that. That BNSF, no, it's, it's Union Pacific, it's not. Oh, we've had any CSX engines down. Yeah, we have two down here before. A couple of them down here before. It's cool looking machines, in my opinion. This time though, I got to catch it before dark. Same angle, just daylight instead of nighttime this time. In fact, that car that was there is already turned around. And they got a green up there on the siding, so they're probably going to keep going. There's a green on the siding, red on the main. I didn't see any of the lights past it on, so there's a slight chance they could stop still. But like I said, it's green on the siding, red on the main. Usually when it's like that, they keep going. But I didn't look, like, I didn't see any signals past the one I can see up further up. I didn't see if any of the ones further up are flashing yellow, green, or what. Figured we'd do a different angle this time though. Guess they're gonna keep going. Those two gray tanks say they're carrying, on the side of them says they're carrying water. That car is sitting open and going down the track. Because one of them things says, home stop for repairs, do not load cars. So one of them cars is on its way to repair. I didn't notice where it's from either. I didn't notice what. Dang, that's just seeing what it's leased out of. That little green sticker. That little green sticker says, home stop for repairs, do not load car. EOD. Some people call them Freddy's. Should have got a cool picture of the engine. Oh well.